Hello and welcome back to Gardening for Health and Wellbeing. I haven't made any videos for a few months just because of life, money issues and everything like that. So I'm just doing a little garden tour. So my lemons are doing really well. Same with the red basil in these pots, although they probably do need a bit of a water. The ones in the pots there are not doing great. This is a random pumpkin of some sort that just grew when I added some of the chicken waste into this garden. I've got now in this bed some eggplants, some capsicums, and I've also interplanted some garlic. This next bed, the chickens have pretty much destroyed it. It does have sweet potato vines in there. And same with this one, there's the sweet potato vines growing as well as some pumpkins, and there's a loofah. I did have capsicum plants in there, but I think the chickens destroyed those when they were digging around for something to eat. This next bed, again, random pumpkins or some cucurbits in there. My habanero pepper. The red basil is doing really well in this bed. I'm thinking about getting rid of this one, as I did with the first two beds as well, just because they're taking over. Another random pumpkin of some sort there. Here's the turmeric. The ginger didn't grow back, so I don't know what I'm going to do there. I'll probably just get some more and plant that, see what happens. This pumpkin is going gangbusters. It's growing really well in this spot. So I'm just letting it run wild. Next we're going to go over to the potted herb garden area. So here we've got some cherry tomatoes. Some of them are ripening, so we'll harvest those later in the video. Then we've got the sage, chives, thyme, celery, and here I'm just showing you the leek flower, which I'm going to be saving for the seed, and I will be growing, hopefully, some more leek from those. Here is the Big Jim chilies that I grew from seed from last year, and I just potted them up recently, so they are looking a little bit not great. They're just sort of settling in. Here we've got the jalapeno peppers. These were saved from seed last year. They're producing some jalapenos right now, which I'm really excited about. The lemon balm there is not doing great. I need to look after it a little bit better. Probably cut it back and water it really well and see what happens. Then we've got the peaches, lemon, limes, mandarin and mulberry all along the edge of the chicken coop, and they're doing really well. I'm really happy with how they're going, and I'll be picking some of the limes probably very soon, within the next month, I reckon. Well, thanks for watching. Just a little harvest of cherry tomatoes. Bye.